Hey, good morning everyone. It's Linka Brady here with Mobile Solutions. So this morning I have a question for all of you, my smart business owners. How much time do you spend on social media to be visible, to make a difference, to connect and reach to your customers and to make a sale? I would love to know if all of your efforts are paying out. I'd love to know if you really sit down daily, weekly, monthly and add it all up. If all that time that you invest, all that time and energy, if that you invest into social media, if it's paying out for you, and if you're actually generating sales through social media. I can tell you from my experience, for me, it is extremely difficult, and I'm in it every day, day in and day out. Not only that I have to fight the algorithms, but I also have to fight all of my competition, right? So for me, it's kind of a healthy balance because I am in it, I'm an expert, I know what I'm doing, and I am also investing a lot of money into it. So I'm doing paid ads and things like that. So if you were to think about how much money, how much time you spend on social media, is it actually worth your efforts? Are you making money back? Is it costing you more money? Because think about it, your time is very valuable. It is very expensive, right? So if you were to put a monetary value on the amount of time you spent on social media, is it all worthy? If you're wondering if you're making any impact whatsoever, if it's all frustrating, if you're hiring people to run social media for you, how much is that costing you? I know on average, a social media manager, probably in the neighborhood of $500 a month, right? So what if I were to tell you that it doesn't have to be that difficult? And I know it from my own experience. What if I were to tell you that the way to go, the future is in community apps, where you can build your own app with all the bells and whistles and everything that the social media has, your community boards, your chat rooms, your group chats, member-only memberships, all of the above. If you build it through a mobile app with one low monthly fee and with a complete control over your audience and the content you put out there, and when people see things and when you engage with them, up and including the fact that you are now with your mobile app and through all the solutions you're providing, you generating more revenue because you've already built those relationships. People are downloading your app because they know you, right? So your community app becomes really a hangout place for people that want to do business with you. People share ideas, they talk to each other through your mobile app, and by default, if someone comes to you to make a purchase, you already know them. You know what their needs are. So your conversation starter is not like you introducing yourself and trying to build credibility, right? Here you're already talking about the benefits. I understand what your needs are. I understand what you need from me. And I have the perfect product for you. Here it is. Lay it out. Lay it all out. And now you have a community membership. So you have VIP offers. So you're even possibly able to offer some additional discounts and offers through your community app. So, there's so many benefits to these community apps. And I think for me, the biggest one is really having control, finally going back to controlling your customer base, controlling who you're talking to and when, and on your own terms, right? Through push notifications, controlling what content people get to see and how they engage with you, and being able to have these one-on-one conversations with them without worrying as okay, Instagram is changing algorithm today. Now I have to do stories. Now I have to post questions on stories. Now I have to use messengers on Facebook and Instagram. It's oh my gosh, it is insane. So through your community apps, you can do anything and everything you need to do or you've been doing on social media, and possibly unsuccessfully, with a much higher rate of success. And let me give you a statistic. I looked it up. Repeat business, or customers that know you, that have developed that relationship with you, repeat customers generate over 67% more sales than initial business, obviously trying to build that rapport, build that relationship, build that trust. So if you have any questions, how to build a community app, how to create an app that actually serves you and that serves your customers, reach out to me. I have the new details, and I'd love to talk to you. I have a free strategy session set up. So let's chat. Let's go to my bio, click on the link, and let's just have a conversation. It doesn't cost you anything. And return, you will actually end up saving a ton of money, being productive. You will end up saving a ton of money with not having to spend and analyze social media and just sending push notifications to people that already know you, that want to do business with you. All right, again, click on the bio up there. If you guys are on Facebook and watching me on Facebook, direct message me, send me a message, comment below, whatever it takes to start this conversation, so I can help you understand how this community app can benefit you and certainly your customers. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.